Hi there, I'm Jeanette Lane, and today I'm here to share the latest issue of Simply Cards and Papercraft, which is number 176. And this issue is jam-packed, as always, with some fantastic features, some great inspiration, some techniques for you. So let's dive right in and take a closer look. In every issue of Simply Cards and Papercraft, there is a free gift, but for this issue, there are two free gifts. So there is a teacup garden stamp die combo, and it's so cute, so trendy. Succulents, cactus designs. As you can see, I'm surrounded by some succulents myself. And they are so delightful. So here is a close-up, and you can see there are 4 dies and a 15-piece stamp set. And look how cute these succulents are, and I love the sentiment. So we have looking sharp, thank you, you made my day, best wishes, new home, retirement, birthday, happy, just for you. So definitely you can make cards for all occasions with this die stamp combo. And along with this stamp set, there are bonus papers. Look at this stack of cute papers. They are such colorful designs. I love the florals and I love the color palette. It reminds me a lot of summertime, which is coming soon, and I can't wait. So just look at all these wonderful sentiments that you can trim and make some great cards for all year round. Ooh, I'm loving the butterflies and the stripes, of course. I'm a fan of stripes. And look at this floral pattern, very nice, very classy and elegant. And again, we have some more florals and some more sentiments. So in case, you run out of one, you have a backup set here. So definitely lots of papers for you to work with along with the die and stamp combo. There are 13 ideas for you to try using the free gift that's included, as well as the bonus papers. And we've got some great inspiration by Simone Clay, who goes through how to make some beautiful projects, beautiful cards, and of course she shares those step-by-step instructions, which are so helpful. Simone designed some great all-occasion cards, really showcasing the versatility of the stamps and the dies included in your free gift. But Helen Griffin also created some beautiful off-the-page projects. So she has some decor and also some party favors for a garden tea party themed occasion. Really gorgeous step-by-step instructions, and you are gonna love the color palette that she used. I'm also excited about this issue's masterclass, which is inspired by nature. So there is some great tips and tricks to introduce natural textures into your projects. So using imprints from leaves right from your backyard. And there are gorgeous makes for birthdays and all occasion cards, and you're gonna fall in love with this class, and you're gonna learn so much as well. I know I did. And we also have some masculine makes from the Stamping Up design team. And these feature some strong poppy colors using the True Gentleman Designer Series paper, stamps, and dies. These are stunning, and I know that you're gonna be so inspired to make some great masculine cards. The thing I'm most excited about this issue, besides the great gift and also the bonus papers, is the interview with Christina Werner, who, if you do not know, she is an out-of-this-world card designer and also craft blogger, and she has a thriving YouTube channel, which you should check out. You'll learn so much and you'll be so inspired. So we had a quick catch up with her, and she talks about papercraft and blogging and how she got all into that. Another great issue for Simply Cards and Papercraft. And if you haven't subscribed to the magazine, there is a special offer for new subscribers. So you can get a free flitter glue bundle from Indigo Blue when you subscribe to Simply Cards and Papercraft. And it's worth over 45 pounds. And what it is, it's a starter kit along with some stamps and some beautiful stencils. And on top of getting this great bundle from Indigo Blue, you can also save 15% on the cover price and also get the issues delivered right to your door, which is a win-win. And to sign up for a subscription, you can go to practicalsubs.com/3048, but make sure you hurry because this offer expires May 31st. I hope that you enjoyed that quick sneak peek of Simply Cards and Papercraft issue 176. And if you'd like to grab your own copy, there are a few places you can do that. So you can get that at moremags.com, craftstash.co.uk, major grocery stores, and also some local independent crafter retailers. I'm Jeanette Lane. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you all real soon.